loves, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm gonna do a whole video kind of around how I take care of my teeth and how to get a white smile. Thumbs it up if you liked the video, comment down below any other requests, and random question before I let you go, I know I'm rambling, is what time is it right now when you're watching this video? I'm curious to know, are you watching in the morning, the nighttime, the afternoon? On that note, let's just jump right into my teeth whitening / oral care routine. First things first, I know this is pretty common sense. I have to state it, obviously. I do brush my teeth every single day. Don't be gross, never miss your brushing. I brush every single morning and every single night, but I will brush my teeth sometimes a third time if I ate something funky like onions or garlic and you just feel a little bit funky in there. I just can't stand that feeling. I just use a electronic toothbrush. That is what I prefer. I just find it cleans your teeth so much better than the ones that you manually have to like keep going. It really gets off all the plaque, and if you guys are curious what toothpaste I use, I typically just go for toothpaste that have the teeth whitening in it. That's what I use. I don't know if it's helped over time. I think that does help a little bit, to be honest. Another thing you really want to do is you want to make sure that you're brushing your tongue as well. And I actually use this. It's just a tongue scraper. All I do is I'll scrape my tongue with it, wet it, scrape my tongue, wet it. So each time I go back and forth, I will wet it. Your tongue is what holds the most bacteria. And a lot of the time why we have bad breath is because of our tongues. A little tip I have for you, if you're really nervous about bad breath, I actually like to use the Listerine patches, and these are really great when you're on the go. You just pop it onto your tongue, it will dissolve, and your breath is gonna smell minty fresh. You can get different flavors, but I typically always like to go for like a minty flavor. I just like that feeling in my breath. It's very cooling. So that is what I do to ensure that I don't have bad breath. But obviously don't just do breath mints or like gum and use that as an alternative to brushing your teeth and your tongue, because obviously that is not healthy and that is not gonna get rid of the problem. It's just kind of a quick fix in between the day. But moving on, next is flossing. If you're anything like me, flossing was a struggle for a long time to get in the habit of flossing. You guys might have heard about the brand Snow. I know I personally heard about Snow first from a bunch of celebrities promoting their teeth whitening products. I have seen so many celebrities use it, and of course it intrigued me. I love their activated floss. It is really cool because it is a charcoal floss, so it not only cleans and detoxifies in between your teeth, but it also helps whiten. And I feel like this is the floss that really helped me get into the habit of flossing my teeth, because I associated this with also whitening my teeth. I will try lots of things to have my teeth always as white as possible. I will floss every single morning, every single night, or if I eat things that, you know, it gets stuck in between the teeth. For example, when you're eating things like corn or popcorn and you just have all the food in between your teeth, I always just go in with the floss and get rid of it. Once I finish brushing my teeth, my tongue, and flossing, it is time into what actually whitens my teeth and what system I have been using and absolutely loving. And you guys, I genuinely stand by this teeth whitening product because it has really helped whiten my teeth, and it is the best teeth whitening products I have tried, and I have tried so many over the years, and I really love this one. So enough rambling, let me just show you what it is. So I have been using the Snow teeth whitening system. This is literally my baby. Snow is cruelty free. What's great about Snow as well is it is doctor formulated and dentist recommended. So it's not just some random system that people are just selling and we don't really know if it's good or not. The system just really helps remove your stains that you may have on your teeth and also prevent future stains. The results are going to last a long time. I really love the packaging as well because, as you could tell, it's really convenient. It's super small, so it's easy to travel with if you do want to take it with you, or if you want to do it on the go, for example, so that's always a plus. And as well as there's a 5-year warranty. Why I absolutely love Snow as a company, every sale that they make, they give a portion of the sale to help children get dental care that don't have access. And did you know 17 million American children don't have access to dental care? That is just crazy to me and extremely sad. So it's really great that even when you are buying this product, that you know that a portion of it is going to be to help children to have access to dental care. Any little thing really helps make such a big difference. I will link the Snow Teeth Whitening System down below, so make sure you guys go check it out and pick it up for yourself. It is so much cheaper than going to the dentist and getting your teeth whitened. Like, that is super expensive, and I was not about that life. So I really got into at-home teeth whitening kits for so long now, and I absolutely recommend this one if you are looking for a teeth whitening system to do at home that's just going to be so much cheaper for you. So it just comes with the teeth whitening system in this box here. Packaging is just so cute. It's just all white and blue, which I personally love those colors. Blue is one of my favorite colors. The packaging really has my heart. Am I the only one that's a sucker for packaging? Because me. In the inside, it just looks like this. So it just comes with the teeth whitening guide, where it just tells you what comes in your box and as well as how you do the teeth whitening system. And then of course it comes with this teeth shade guide. This really shows you how much the product really does work, because you see it what you started with and then what your teeth turn to be. Little teeth whitening. It has this. What's really cool about Snow is it's not battery operated. So that's really great because you don't have to change the batteries. You don't have to worry about that. It works with both Apple phones and like Androids. You could put it into your tablet. There's so much you could do. You can even like plug it into technically your computer or wall, but I use my phone. Underneath your package, you just pull it up here and it has all of the teeth whitening things that you need. So it has the teeth whitening, and then it also has this, which is the serum to put after to help with sensitivity. Because to be completely honest, I started first with teeth whitening strips. This is years ago when my friend introduced me to teeth whitening, and that was the first thing I ever tried. And I did like it at the time, but it really bothered my teeth to the point where I couldn't even drink water the next day, because every time I had any sort of drinks that were cold, it really irritated my teeth and it was just so sensitive for a good whole day. It would also, to the point, really bother me where I'd wake up in the middle of the night and my teeth would just be in so much pain. So that is not good. With this system, I feel no sensitivity at all. My teeth feel completely fine, and I do have sensitive teeth, so it doesn't bother me at all. I also have the maximum strength serum, which you apply this before you start the teeth whitening system. And this is really great if you want to see the most out of your teeth whitening session, or you could just go in with the silver regular strength ones. This is great for people that have sensitive teeth to begin with, or just want to maintain the whiteness you've already achieved, but you have to use one or the other. You don't use both serums. So I just applied it all over my teeth, and then I went in with the actual whitening system. You're going to plug the LED light into your device and keep it on for 10 to 30 minutes in your mouth. I typically just keep it in for 30 minutes long, to be honest, every session. And then once you remove the light, you're just going to rinse your mouth with water, and then you're going to apply the desensitizing serum to your teeth. So you don't have to apply the desensitizing serum, but personally I do, just because I do have really sensitive teeth. I don't find any sensitivity after I apply it, so I prefer to just stick with that. It's so fast, but it gives you professional results at home. So this has definitely been the system that has really helped keep my teeth white and make it even whiter. As you can tell, it really helps keep my smile bright. It makes me feel so confident. I love having a bright white smile. Two products that I also love from Snow, the lip exfoliator and also the lip treatment, which really helps to protect and moisturize. And these are cruelty-free as well. Everything is cruelty-free, and they also have amazing ingredients in them as well. So I'm gonna share with you them. So this is the Snow Lip Exfoliator. It has a really nice smell. It's very subtle and kind of like fresh and clean, which is personally my favorite when it comes to products. It has a little bit of a minty scent as well. The exfoliator has great ingredients in it. There's jojoba oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, peppermint. So I just apply it over my lips, and it really helps helps get rid of the dead skin cells, and then I go ahead and apply the lip treatment. And I love the ingredients in the lip treatment because it has both shea butter, vitamin E, or seed oil, hyaluronic acid. There's a ton of very hydrating and great natural ingredients, and this will last you honestly forever. It is so moisturizing on the lips. It really helps seal in the moisture, but on top of it, it's great for shielding against harmful sun rays and toxins in the environment. It has also a very like subtle smell as well, a little bit minty and just fresh. So those are the products I always like to use as well with the teeth whitening kit. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my kind of like oral care slash teeth whitening routine. This is a teeth whitening routine that I've been living by for a really long time now, and I totally stand by. I will link everything down below, so make sure you guys go check it out for yourself. But also don't forget to subscribe to join my YouTube family. It always helps me out. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!